meter Rubicon. We're going to start off with our newest obstacle. We call it the prowess. We can utilize our forward-facing camera. Stay nice and centered through here. And this one's a little off camber, as you can see. So we get the sway bar disconnected electronically. It's helping us stay nice and smooth over that uneven surface. 25% more wheel articulation. Breakover angle here. And we're going to go 28 feet up here, 43-degree angle.